I am challenging myself to wake up at 5 a.m. and also to sit and study for at least 7 hours for every single day for a week. All I have to say that by the end of this week, we will see if I actually make it or not. This was my study chart for the week. 7 days and no skip. You have to wake up, you have to show up every single day to prove yourself that you can achieve what you want. Go for it, girl, go for it. You can do it. And if you're watching this and doubting yourself, remember, consistency beat motivation every single time. Okay, so this is your sign to wake up, sit down, and study. Hi, my Anmol people. I am Anmol. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's time for us to get serious. In this video, I am challenging myself to wake up at 5 a.m. and also to sit and study for at least 7 hours for every single day for a week, as my exam is approaching very soon, which is in the next week. All I have to say that by the end of this week, we will see if I actually make it or not. Without any delay, let's begin. So we have completed the day 1 of the challenge. I tried recording my study time in the app, but the morning session didn't save somehow. I know I completed my day 1 happily.
Good morning, beautiful people. Day 2. It is currently 5 a.m. in the morning. Let's do our study session.
The day 2 finally completed. Waking up 5 a.m. in the morning in the winter season is the real challenge. The app missed my morning session again. I don't know the reason why the app is doing this to me. I love this app. Also, the app shows the ranking of the day, week, month, and year. I ranked 106 today out of 356 people. In week, I ranked 70 out of 498 something. So yeah, that feeling is really motivating.
Good morning. It's the day 3rd, and I woke up exactly at 5 a.m. Let's get started.
So I just quickly change into something very comfortable, जो कि आप मुझे हमेशा पहने हुए देखोगे ही देखोगे. This is something I love very much. Day 3rd is a wrap and it is over finally, touch wood. And today was a bit tough, but I stayed on the track. Do you see me? Like, I am getting into a routine. Still proud of me because I didn't break my routine. Day ranking was 63rd and my weekly ranking was 107 out of 643. So yeah, good night.
Good morning. It's the day 4. Let's go.
Day 4th completed. It's Thursday today. I woke up on time, but the electricity went out. Not that start that I really hoped for. Still, I sat down and managed to study with whatever I could. And also, the rank I got is 65th out of 200 in the app.
Good morning. It's the 5th day.
So day 5th completed. Today is Friday. Habits are starting to stick and my energy feel little better today. Exam की जो nervousness है, हाँ वो रहती है और वो हो भी रही है मुझे थोड़ी बहुत, but it's okay. But consistency is slowly building the confidence and I ranked. Guess my rank. चलो छोड़ो, मैं ही बता देती हूँ. I ranked 37 out of 200 and 234 people.
Good morning. It's 36th.
And today is day 6. Saturday, the focus and energy are improving. मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी skip नहीं करा है. That is so important for me. Because of that, I actually feels a difference. और जो exam की nervousness है, I think वो धीरे धीरे और ज़्यादा build up हो रही है. जो nervousness है वो अभी तक गई नहीं है completely. बट हाँ, लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है कि हाँ मैं शायद कर सकती हूँ। मैं जो मैं लाइक PYQs जो देख रही हूँ और उन्हें सॉल्व कर रही हूँ कि आई एम लाइक हाँ ये मेरा सही है, ये भी मेरा सही है, वो भी मेरा सही था, ये भी मेरा सही जा रहा है। तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस है बट बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस भी है। एंड फन फैक्ट, आज की जो मेरी रैंक है वो 67 है। कल की मेरी रैंक जो थी वो मेरी कुछ 30 के अराउंड थी, लाइक दैट वॉज गुड। बट आज की रैंक मेरी अच्छी नहीं है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई माय सेशंस आर नॉट गेट रिकॉर्डेड इन द ऐप। कायरू नाम है ऐप का, कायरू, KAIRU। सो गुड ऐप, लिटरली सो गुड ऐप। मिलते हैं कल। ओके, बाय बाय। गुड मॉर्निंग, टुडे इज द डे 7th, द लास्ट डे ऑफ द चैलेंज। And good news is I woke up 15 minutes before the exam, before the alarm. Let's get started. Day 7th, finally the challenge we have completed. One full week of waking up at 5 a.m. and studying consistently. I really did it. Cheers to me. Still a little nervous about the exam, but I'm proud of the habit that I have built this week. This challenge taught me discipline, patience, and self-trust in me, that I have all these three quality in me, which basically means showing up daily mattered more than perfection. And could you believe what my rank is today? I ranked 10 out of 333 people. Isn't it great? I will show my study chart. I'm nervous and I am tired. Just want to take a good shower and just want to go to sleep. That's it. मिलते हैं एग्जाम के बाद. Oh my more people, welcome back to the end of the video. Thank you so much for staying यहाँ तक. So yeah, this was my study chart for the week. 7 days and no skip. I am so proud of me. I made it. From Monday to Sunday, I studied around 7 hours every day. Almost 50 hours a week. And to be precise, 48.5 hours in a week. And honestly, it wasn't easy. Some days I felt strong and some days I felt like कि मुझे नहीं उठना, I should skip and I should go to sleep. And then I realized no one more. It is for yourself. It is for you only. So you have to wake up. You have to show up every single day to prove yourself that you can achieve what you want. So yeah, some days I felt strong and some days I feel extremely exhausted, and there were ups and downs. And Thursday especially tested me. There was no electricity and my phone battery was dead, so I couldn't record anything. But I still sat and studied in the morning from 8 to 10 a.m. and that's when I realized that this challenge was not about proving anything on it was about showing up for yourself. This wasn't about motivation. It was more about discipline, waking up, sitting down and study. Basically it was purely about discipline and there was no perfect day. कभी electricity जा रही है, कभी कोई आ रहा है, material नहीं मिल रहा है, renovation भी चल रहा है अभी. So yeah, there was no perfect days, but beside that हम अपना pure effort होता है किसी काम को करने में, हम वो लगा सकते. जो भी बोल लो, सारे efforts मैंने इसमें लगा दिए थे. Despite the ups and downs, I completed this challenge. Yeah! Go for it, girl. Go for it. You can do it. Now the exam is next, so wish me luck. And if you're watching this and doubting yourself, remember, consistency beat motivation every single time. Okay? Be consistent. So this is your sign to wake up, sit down and study. So yeah, that's it for the video. See you on the other side.